of searching. The family of a missing 33-year-old woman has found nothing.
Leanne Bearden's husband told police she went for a walk about a week ago and never came back. KXAN's Dawn Denny traveled to Garden Ridge just north of San Antonio and has the latest on the search. All new at 6.
We didn't find her. We eliminated some places, a lot of area.
Leanne Bearden's family has been looking for her since Friday, but even with help from police in Garden Ridge, sheriff's deputies and the FBI, so far, nothing.
We will stick with what we know until we know something differently. And what we know is that at 1:30 in the afternoon, she walked out of that driveway, she turned and went up the street, and that's all we know.
Authorities have used search dogs to cover nearly a square mile. They've also searched surveillance camera footage from homes and businesses nearby.
Well, we understand the tips have come in. We have put out hundreds of flyers.
Leanne and her husband just came back from a 2-year trip around the world. They were staying with Josh's parents in Texas before returning home to Colorado. So far, police have not determined if anyone is a suspect at this point. They're asking anyone who may have seen Leanne to come forward. On Saturday, law enforcement says they are going to ask the volunteer search teams to stand down so that the Texas Rangers can then start their own search. At that time, they will bring in heat-seeking helicopters and also more search dogs. Reporting from Garden Ridge, I'm Dawn Denny, KXAN News.
Digging deeper now, the state tracks all of the missing persons cases, and right now 730 people are listed as missing. In most cases, the Department of Public Safety has some idea of how that person disappeared. Bearden's case, however, is listed as unknown. There's only one other missing person who disappeared in such a mysterious way on that list.
Oh, we're heading